time. SPSS, Statistical Package for the Social Sciences, is a widely used software program for statistical analysis, data management, and data visualization. It provides a comprehensive set of tools and techniques for conducting quantitative data analysis. Here are some common uses of SPSS in quantitative data analysis. Data management. SPSS allows you to import, clean, and manage your data efficiently. You can define variables, assign labels, recode data, and handle missing values easily using the software. Descriptive statistics. SPSS enables you to calculate various descriptive statistics such as mean, median, mode, standard deviation, variance, and percentiles. These statistics provide a summary of the main characteristics of your data. Inferential statistics. SPSS provides a wide range of statistical tests to analyze relationships and make inferences from your data. Some commonly used tests include t-tests, analysis of variance, ANOVA, chi-square tests, correlation analysis, regression analysis, and factor analysis. Data visualization. SPSS allows you to create various visual representations of your data, including histograms, bar charts, line graphs, scatter plots, and pie charts. These visualizations can help you understand patterns, trends, and relationships in your data more effectively. Hypothesis testing. SPSS supports hypothesis testing by providing a user-friendly interface for conducting statistical tests. You can perform both parametric and non-parametric tests to determine the significance of relationships and